Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop the Windows 10 game DVR from slowing down your computer's gameplay. So generally speaking, the DVR settings, which can be incorporated into the game bar options in your computer. So if you're looking just to remove redundant or unnecessary things, like if you actually don't plan on recording gameplay, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time, type in regedit, so regedit, best match should go back to registry editor. You want to right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now, before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it, so if anything went wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create the backup, it's very simple. Just go ahead and left click on the File tab, select Export. File name, I would suggest naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Export range should be selected to all, and then save it to a convenient location on your computer or external media source, and then just select Save to save the change. And if you ever need to import it back in, you just put select File and then Import, and navigate to the file location, so pretty straightforward. So once you've done that, you're ready to begin, and we're going to start by expanding the HK local machine folder. So right here, go ahead and double click on that. Should be a software folder under here, double click on that one as well. Should be a Microsoft folder, go ahead and double click on that. Policy is going to be our next folder here, or policies. The next folder we're going to be looking for is Policy Manager. Right here, double click on that. Should be a default folder in here, double click on that. Should be Application Management near the top, go double click on that. And now finally, there should be something that says Allow Game DVR in here, so just go left click on that folder one time. Please take note, if you need to pause the video and take note of the path that we've gone under. You can see it at the top of our screen right now. Each backslash indicates a separate subfolder we have gone under at this point. So once you are up to this point in the video, you can resume the video obviously, and you want to locate something that says value on the right side. So it should say value in here. Double click on that. Set the value data to 0, so delete the 1, type a 0. Select OK. Once that is done, you can go ahead and just close out of the registry editor, restart your computer, and the Xbox Gaming DVR should be disabled at this point. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.